Welcome to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we've got a pre-owned trade here. It is a 2008 AGCO Hesston 5546A. The A stands for automatic baler. This is more than just auto wrap. It's auto wrap and auto eject cycles both. It will put, when it reaches the bale size, you can automatically put the twine or net wrap on. When it gets done with that sequence, it'll open the tailgate, kicker will go out, tailgate will close, and the kicker will come back to home and it'll tell you to start again. We'll show you those functions actually live here in just a little bit, but this is a 4x6 baler. It's pretty simple to understand our nomenclature. 4x6 automatic baler. Makes it roughly a 1,644 pound grass or dry bale. You're going to need a minimum of about 65 PTO horsepower to run it. This baler weighs in at 6,325 pounds. Just do a glance over the overview of the outside of this machine. This is the front here. Your twine would come out of here, goes around these spools so you can see it actually being applied. You've got an automatic baler, has its own onboard hydraulic system. So you've got a tank, you've got a filter, you've got a pump, or not the pump, this is actually your angle gearbox that comes from the PTO shaft here. And this is your drive. The pump is actually down below, right down there is where it's at. It drives the baler, does all the hydraulic functions except the pickup. It is controlled by the tractor hydraulics. You will need one set of remote valves, and 540 PTO is the way this is set up. If you want to do 1,000, you change the front end and flip the gearbox, and you can run this thing on 1,000 PTO also. Just walk around here. This is the right hand side door. You can open it up. This is where your twine storage is all going to be. I have lubrication guides, twine setup. Got your onboard computer there that does all the thinking, keeps the bale track and count and all that. Those are your solenoids for the machine. Grease bank down here. Dual twine arm. This is hydraulic bale density. It's a dual hydraulic cylinders that do it, so you got good constant density all the way through it. Come down here, that's your twine mechanism and your pickup. Got spring flotation on it, big tires. These are 14L16s on here. This is your kicker here with the hydraulic kicker. If you would ever get a bale in between, this spring loaded right here allows the kicker to come up and over the bale. Baler is very good shape for its age. Got electronic actuator on the net wrap system. This is the net wrap. There is a little crease right here in it and a little ding on that door. Easy to get into. It's very simple net wrap system. Your bale goes in here. It is side loaded from the left hand side here. You feed it right down through here and it applies it. You got the mesh wrap guide right up there to put it on. Very simple, dependable design. Got the belts. It runs off the belt. There's no belt drive on this machine. Like some of the competitors, you don't need talc and all that other junk. Just put it in there and use it and go. Pickup adjustment here. That's your lower limit. You have tailgate latch lock right here. This is kicker on this side. There's your tire. Here's your side of the left hand side. And this baler has been taken good care of. Still got a lot of shine and gleam in that paint. This is where the business happens. Your input comes in here, and this is a clutch that will disengage. So you do not have to shut the PTO off when after you create a bale. It will automatically do that for you. This is a smart baler. It does things for you so you make your life easier. Chain drive, we're going to show all this in live action here in just a little bit. Going to show it to you. Your bale density done by 2 cylinders there. That creates equal density on both sides of the bale. making a better bale. That's why Hesston balers have been the demand of the industry. This is your valve to adjust your density of your bale weight. You can adjust bale density here. This is belt slack. You can loosen that to take the tension off of the belts if you want to work on them, or off season it's good to take that off so you're not pulling on those laces and stuff. It makes things last longer. Come down here to the pickup. You've got a wide pickup. Is standard equipment. There's only one choice with AGCO Hesston. It was a wide pickup. This is a 5-foot wide pickup on a 4-foot wide baler. Got centering augers on both sides. Got stuffer fingers and the open throat vertical bale chamber design that AGCO Hesston invented. Hesston is the originator of the open throat baler design. A lot of other companies are even using Hesston's patent. If you're looking at green and yellow, they use our similar belt and open throat design that Hesston invented. Twine mechanism is all up here. It's a dual twine tube, so it's going to help you do it faster. Hydraulic pump is right here. Wind guard. Very simple baler, been dependable. This all started with the Hesston 560 way back in 1980, and we're still using it today. There's actually a 2956 down there. It's a 5x6 version. Still the basic same principles as this machine here. Dependable, quality machine, produces a great bale, helping you build that quality hay versus quantity hay, so your cows don't have to eat as much, last longer, weather's better, and keep that gain in your cattle instead of making them lose weight during the winter. Quality hay starts with Hesston, and this is just another opportunity to jump in on a pre-owned machine, 4x6 here at Vahrenberg. The monitor that comes with the 5546 is a GTA, which is an ISoBus monitor. If you have an ISoBus performance monitor in the cab, this will hook directly up to the ISoBus connector, which is right here. Or you can use the color monitor. Some unique features of this is you've got actually 3 bale shape sensors, left side, right side, and the middle is all being checked at the same time. You have your automatic functions. You can start your baler up here. This is your auto twine or mesh wrap function, and this is the auto kick. You can make this do everything manually. You can go down here, there's service, other things, but you can have it automatic tie, like we've got auto mesh engaged right now. So when your bale reaches the 69-inch bale size, and you can change the size of the bale, it'll automatically put the twine or net wrap, and it is how you set it up in the monitor. You go over here to the number of mash wraps, the number of tail delays. That's how long it's going to continue to cycle to push the net wrap into the bale. This will take you back to the homes key. The auto kick function or auto eject function allows you, when the bale reaches the size it gets done with the net wrap, the tailgate will automatically open, the bale will fall out, the kicker will go out, push the bale out of the way, tailgate closed, the kicker comes back to home, and then it'll tell you to drive again. So this is fully automatic, not just on the tie side, but actually on the ejection side. Couple things real quick. Sigma down here is your total bales. We'll go right here, and this is going to give us the total number of bales, 8,907 cycles, which is about 685 bales a year. It's been run for 434.6 hours. 375 of those bales were twine bales, 8,532 were net wrap. That just tells you a little bit more about the machine. The color monitor sure makes it easier, because these are going to go from green if you avoid doing what it tells you to do driving. It'll go to yellow, and then it will finally go to red and tell you really need to get over there and take care of the problem. Like if you're getting too much hay on one side, or especially with wheel rakes, the center section, you get 2 lumps out there in the field, kind of looks like a rear end. The center actually becomes void of twine or of hay, and you can get a low spot in the center and have high on the left and the right. So This is going to help you make those perfect bales time after time. Okay, we're going to run through the cycle here, show you the individual thing. We're running the pickup. Got the belts there, they got the alligator rivet lace. Jump over here to the right hand side. Can't see a whole lot. You got centering over down there. Tailgate's opening, and this can be set up automatically. You have a safety shutout right here. There's your inside of your tail chamber. Starting roll. Kicker's going to come out next. We're doing this manually steps. You can do this automatic where it does everything. We're just showing you how it works. That's kicker coming back in. Tailgate's going to come back down. There's kicker out again. Kicker comes in. That all works. There's your tailgate coming down. You don't have to turn the PTO off on this because it has the D-clutch here. So, got the D-clutch, and it'll start the cycle again. Got the PTO pump that's driven because the PTO is running, but it's declutched. So I hope that helped you learn a little bit more about this 5546 AGCO Hesston baler we just recently traded for. Customer's buying one, a brand new one just like it. He's buying a 2946A AutoCycle. He loves it so much he's going to go right back with the exact same thing. We've got it available. I hope that helps you see how it operates and it functions. This baler's ready to go to the field. Come see it, come experience it, come learn more about them at Vahrenberg Implement. We're your West Central Missouri Massey Ferguson and Rhino dealer, right here at the first stoplight on the south side of Higginsville at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13. Just 4 miles north of Interstate 70, just about 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line and about 30-35 miles from the sports complex. Warrensburg's that direction. Lexington, Missouri and the Missouri River is about 15 miles to the north. Come visit us, Vahrenberg Implement, and come check out this 5546A round baler and take it home with you today and get ready to start baling high quality Hesston hay.